A very good evening to all. Most respected dignitaries on the dais and the honorable guest and most respected principal, teachers and parents, most probably my dear students. First of all, at present, I feel so honored to be here in front of you people to stand with my dignities holding upheld. As all you see there, Zehen, what we have inaugurated at the beginning, we can see inside was there. It's just not the clock. It shows a womb inside that, which means a baby or the future is building up. That there are two consequences stands. First of all, the thing is that the baby, that's for the family, that's their future. It's upcoming. It shows that where the time starts from there, as well as for the entire society, this womb inside the mother or inside the uterus shows that it is the future of our society or the entire community where we live. So I appreciate the entire team who created such a dignified creations today. Well done. I appreciate the entire crew beside the scene who are not in front of us, but the credit goes to them. Big lots of applause for the team. Moreoverly, I can see all the parents are immensely waiting for their kids' performances to see. Here, our speech doesn't matter, our word doesn't matter, our motivation doesn't matter. All matters is your kids' today's day. Because apart from education, which teaches, there comes the textbook, examination, knowledge. Beyond that, there is a world for our kids. That's where their confidence hold, where their future hold, where their creativity and talent hold. As we know, the name indicates Explorer School. It explores our kids' talents, the immense, unique talents which is hidden in them, which comes out through so many polishes that which is done by our respected teachers. Because as we know that parents, morning routine takes up soon after our kids get into school. After for around 8 to 9 hours they spend inside the school, which means the second mother or the second parent is their teachers. They are the one who dig in to their talents and uphold their talents, because they know what our child's talents is within them. They polishes them and they bring out through such a performing stages, because most of the parents doesn't know what their kids' exact talent is, because we are busy within our life. I feel that parents feel as a first teachers of their kid, but it's vice versa. Teachers becomes nowadays their first parents. Moreoverly, we can say parents are their backbones. We proudly feel, and teachers bring them up. They show them what future means to them. These students, whoever going to perform and who have been performed earlier, are coming futures, are coming twinkling stars, or coming leaders. Because only the education or the ranks or the prizes doesn't mean that particular kid is a first rank holder or the first place winner. Because most of the winning talents or most of the leaders we have found is the backbenchers, right? Because we don't see what their talents is. We just focused on their knowledges. Because previously it's like only bookworms, the rank holders, they become famous in classes, backbenchers will be last and they are ignored by everyone. But finally, the other one comes up with moreover entrepreneurship, leadership, dignified leaders are become backbenchers. I have to say because parents should not discourage your child. They might be having one or the other talents because only through books or through knowledges we doesn't define our kids' future. There are so many other activities. We can see there are so many sports events upcoming or India, international level. There are so many activities upcoming. There are hope for them. So only education doesn't mean our kids are beyond their level. Please encourage their courage, what talents they have, what creativity they have. Encourage them, upbuild them, bring them that through that route. Because there are so many routes holding for our kids. Which is their route, leave them to that route. Let them go, let them hold that particular role and let them be the leaders of tomorrow, be the twinkling stars of tomorrow. However, I'm not moreoverly saying any more thing for them because it's too late. I know from around 4 o'clock all have been here waiting for your kids' performance to help. I'm appreciating the entire crew, the teachers, the principal and the crew behind who are working hard to bring such a beautiful event today, such a dazzling event it's been taking around. And the students and the kids who are participated, who have been around here, who are going to participate, a well future ahead. And the parents who are encouraging you people are the entire back supporters of this event. So I need to appreciate all the parents who are here. Thank you.